Okay guys, so we just had an issue with a car at the other shop I swung to. The vehicle is already left, so I can't show you the vehicle, but I just wanted to explain it to you, and I think it'll help somebody. So what happened was, we did a water pump on the vehicle, and had nothing to do with the electrical on it, but when she dropped it off, the vehicle always chimed when you started it. You had your normal brake light and TPS light, all of them would light up and chime, like ding, 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 and that was normal. And then you'd start it up and drive away, and after about 30 seconds, maybe a minute, minute and a half at the most, it would chime 2 to 3 more times. And it never did that before for her. So she couldn't understand what it was. She wanted to make sure it was safe, and she brought the vehicle back. Oh, by the way, 1998 Dodge Ram 1500. I don't remember whether it had the Hemi or the 4.7. It sounded really good, so it might have been the Hemi. But anyway, just so that you know, what it is, that chime is telling you that there is a voltage issue with the battery or with a fuse. Most likely you have a blown fuse. It's just telling you that you have a blown fuse, that's it. So we checked, and there is a voltage issue on that truck. On the battery positive side, they had a screw that was holding the cable down, and it wasn't very tight. It needs a new terminal. But after using the power probe and running through all of the fuses, the DRL fuse was blown. And when we looked at the daytime running lights, one of them had popped out of its socket. And so the wires had touched. So I think that's what popped the fuse. So we put it back into its home and cleared it. We put a new fuse in it, of course. When we started it up, the normal chime was there. 30 to 60 seconds later, didn't get another chime. 30 seconds later, 30 seconds later, 2 minutes later, didn't get another chime. So the problem was the fact that the truck was trying to tell us, communicate with us, that it knew that there was a voltage issue. It just didn't know where the voltage issue was. And again, most likely when that happens on those Dodges, it ends up being just a blown fuse. So check your fuses. I wanted to bring that up to you, and I didn't have the truck here. Sorry I couldn't record it, and you got to see me drive. Don't make no comments about my hair. I know I need a haircut. So I hope that helps you out. Please click like, please click subscribe. Click on my name underneath this video for all my other how-to videos. And as always, guys, enjoy.